Hello, I will introduce you 3 excellent security cameras. Firstly, let's talk about the Ring Stick-Up Cam battery. This camera is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. When you insert the battery and connect to Wi-Fi, you can set it up immediately. With its weather-resistant structure suitable for outdoor use, it can work in all weather conditions, whether it rains or the sun shines. It also adapts to your decoration with black and white color options. Thanks to its 130-degree wide-angle lens, you can monitor a wide area. Plus, the two-way audio feature allows you to both listen and speak over the camera, making it easy to communicate remotely. Positive reviews: 1. Easy setup and great performance. Excellent for the price. 2. Alexa compatibility is very good, and the image quality is very high. 3. Weatherproof, works in all weather conditions. 4. Long battery life, I can charge it once and use it for months. 5. Vivid picture and color night vision works perfectly. Negative comments: 1. I have cloud storage issues, can't find my recordings. 2. It heats up in very hot weather and its performance decreases. 3. I had Wi-Fi connection problems during installation. 4. The app sometimes freezes and I have to restart it. 5. Notifications are delayed from time to time. Now let's move on to the WiseCam V3. This camera delivers clear and sharp images with 1080p HD resolution. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, it is IP65 rated to withstand harsh weather conditions. Thanks to its pan, tilt and zoom features, you can easily monitor a wide area. The color night vision feature, which provides colorful and clear images even at night, ensures safety even in the dark. You can talk and listen remotely with the two-way audio feature. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, WiseCam V3 can be easily controlled with voice commands. Positive reviews: 1. The night vision and 1080p quality is excellent. I can see every detail. 2. Compact and versatile, can be used anywhere. 3. Very easy and quick to set up. 4. The two-way audio system is very useful. 5. Affordable and high performance. Negative comments: 1. Cloud storage is paid and the free plan is inadequate. 2. I had some problems during updates. 3. Wi-Fi connection is sometimes disconnected. 4. The app sometimes runs very slowly. 5. The temperature sensor does not work correctly. Finally, let's look at the LayView 4MP light bulb security camera. This innovative camera looks like a light bulb, but has powerful security features. Its 4MP HD2560x1 for 4OP resolution provides ultra-clear image quality. With its 360-degree viewing angle, it covers the entire area and provides ultra-clear images day and night. With its IP67 rating, it can be easily used indoors and outdoors. It can also be easily installed by plug-in into the bulb socket, and you do not need additional wiring. Positive reviews: 1. The 360-degree viewing angle and 4MP quality is very good. 2. The night vision is very clear, it doesn't miss any details. 3. Easy installation and user-friendly interface. 4. With IP67 rating, it can be used in all weather conditions. 5. The wireless advantage is huge. Negative comments: 1. The app freezes from time to time. 2. Wi-Fi connection sometimes breaks. 3. There are some bugs during updates. 4. Battery life is not as long as I expected. 5. Some features are only available with a premium membership. These 3 security cameras have different features and can fulfill a variety of needs. You can check out the links to buy them. See you in another video.